everybody. It's Ari. How are y'all doing today? It's another beautiful day in Kentucky. How are you? Love you all. What I thought I would show you today in my short is how to get your character to appear in OBS Studio. This is my OBS Studio. As you can see, she's here. She's in my displays, capture my screen, because she's on my screen. But to get to the stage where I have this character, I made her in VRoid, and I had to export her as a VRM file. And then I opened my VMagicMirror, which is what I use in my OBS Studio. As you can see, it says VMagicMirror 2.4 full edition. The first step is to load the file on PC. So you click on it and you load the file that you downloaded from VRoid. Then you can adjust the size, like make her bigger. Put English, unless you're another language. They only have English, Japanese, and Chinese. You can have it where as soon as you start up your Windows, this pulls up so you can have her going. I usually just leave her on. And what you do when you're recording, you hit the minimize button and this will go down. That way that scene doesn't appear anywhere on your recordings. That minimize button does a whole lot. So to get rid of this screen, all you do is hit that minimize button. I showed you that in one of my other videos. So you pull this back up and you can hit open setting windows. It gives you a few more options to work on. See, you've got the face, motion, layout, effects, devices, files, etc. I have my basic settings, a transparent window. If you click that, she's transparent. If you don't click it, I have a overlay back here, but if I didn't have an overlay already set up, it would be a green screen. You can load your images here for your background. And when it is transparent, you can drag her around, which is what it says here. I've got it marked. And I can reset the character position. This has a lot to do with your web camera. See, the background is green. You can change it. I usually just get rid of it. But if you want a background, you have some options. You have the transparency level. I've got mine midway. And that's the basic settings. And then face. When you have a webcam, which I do, see she's talking as I talk and she moves her hand as I move my hands. Lip sync means she follows my lips. This is my web camera, my microphone, Pro Stream. I've got it on the highest sensitivity. If I wanted to show volume, it would be here. It doesn't really mean anything to me. The track stream is, again, my webcam. I've got these. And you can calibrate the position. This has to do with your web camera, so she can see me. If you think that she's lost your position, I've got it on my webcam, so she's not moving. Sometimes she's fickle. I think it's my webcam. I've got to get a different one. It doesn't work right. And once again, this blink, I've got it on blink adjust head motion. And I've got her looking at my user, at me. I could have her looking at the mouse or none. Just kind of blank stares. I'd rather have her looking at me. Blend shape, I'm not sure what that's for. I've never tried to mess with it. But okay. I guess if you click on them, It makes her do things. But that won't work for me when I'm recording, because you don't want me to be clicking buttons while I'm showing you something. So it just depends on, whoops, I got her blinking one eye. Just depends on what you need it for. This is my upper body motion. I've got the hands down. If you don't have that click, see, she puts her hands down. If you don't have that click, she'll move her hands around. There, she's following me. Okay. Just go down through these when you get your VMagic set up, and it'll basically will tell you. The free camera mode, I believe, is when you do not have a camera. But I do have a camera, so I do not want to have it clicked. Let's see. Boy, made myself bigger. Okay. But just kind of play around with it, get your what you want. And streaming, I've already shown you basically these when we hit settings. That's it. That should get you going. All you gotta do is get her downloaded and import your avatar, and you'll be on the road to making videos. Y'all have a great day. See you next time.